हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम क्लास 10 का जो कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री इसका एक पार्ट होता है सेक्शन फार्मूला, इसको डिस्कस करेंगे। व्हाट इज सेक्शन फार्मूला? सपोज ए बी इज ए लाइन सेगमेंट, पी इज ए पॉइंट ऑन दिस लाइन ए बी which divides the line m is to n ratio. Then what is the coordinate of the point P? X coordinate is what? m into x2, दूर जाना है, m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. Don't mix with y. Similarly y coordinate m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus 1. What is the use of this formula? How to apply this formula? Listen, suppose A is a point whose coordinate is given 2, 3. B is another point whose coordinate is 0, 5. P must be lie on this, which divide the line segment 3 is to 5. Then what is the x coordinate of the point P? Now 3 into 0 x के साथ, first one is x, second one is y. So 3 into 0 plus 5 into 2 divided by 3 plus 5. Similarly y coordinate 3 into same ratio, 3 into 5 plus 5 into 3 divided by 3 plus 5. So x coordinate is what? 3 into 0, 0 plus 10, 10 by 8, and y coordinate is what? 15 plus 15 by 8, 30 by 8. So x coordinate is what? 10 by 8 and y coordinate is 30 by 8. Got it?